The reason I'm even eating this today is because of this person sitting with me. And I can't thank you for that. Because as someone who's been exploring Chennai for food, I had no idea about this legacy.
Okay.
So what do you think? I know you've been waiting to dig into that the moment it was placed there.
I still am. So I've been here 3-4 times, not very recently. Also, now thanks to you, I know they're still functioning and all that, and I'm happy that through the lockdown and all that, like lots of restaurants shut down, but these guys haven't. So I've come here extensively for the fish curry rice and caramel custard, and I'm happy that thanks to you, I'm at 11 a.m. in the morning. I'm doing some more caramel custard. So yeah.
What is your memory of visiting this place, or rather, what took you by surprise when you came here?
So my wife and I, we always indulge in these trips to find some, joints to eat at every point. So you can categorize us under the term foodies. And also we like these old world places like Koshi's in Bangalore, and even in Kerala, there are lots of these places that we, stop by to try and eat. When I'm filming in Kerala, I always try and find one nice puttukada joint. I'll go looking for these places, and so on one of our bike trips here and there, trying to figure out, we found this place. Actually, I think her father had mentioned, he used to work in the State Bank here, so he had mentioned this place called Ninans, and then we found this place, and then we've come here 2-3 times for the fish curry rice.
What is your philosophy behind food?
So I think it comes from mom's cooking. I think at home, it's not like we live to eat, but there's always good food at home, and off late healthy food also. So mom's biryani is a special on Sundays, and a lot of people come over to eat on Sundays, and we send food over also. There's always discussion about food. I mean, what is for lunch is like a major topic during the day. We all partake in the process and all that stuff. So I think it's driven from there. It stemmed from there, so to speak. So I'm always looking for that little home food experience wherever I go.
What is your fondest memory of food?
So see, like my mom's Tamil, my dad's Malayali, and they met while they studied in college together. So they stayed in Kerala for about 3 years before we were born and all that. Me and my 2 sisters. So my mom took to the cuisine from there, going to neighbors' houses and spending time with my dad's mother itself, her mother-in-law. She picked up the cuisine of Kerala, the Kerala food. So we had very good Kerala food at home all the time, especially for Onam and Vishu. She makes like the complete sadhya, the 13-14 dishes, all these advertisements that you see. We never bothered to go out for a sadhya because it was always made at home by my mom. I take that everywhere with me. Yeah, like if it's Onam and Vishu, I don't want to miss that at home. Like I know it's coming up now, and I've planned the schedule one day later because I don't want to miss the Onam food at home. So I think like that, So these are memories that are driven by what's happened at home. So I carry that with me.
There's food, there's memories, and because a lot of that comes from your mother.
Yeah, absolutely.
Giving you the best of food.
Yeah. I was born in Chennai, and then I went back to Calicut for about 6 years. Till the first standard I studied there, I remember. But that was all about, the food. The memories of food being made is still in my head for sure. The smell of the food at home I still have in my head somewhere. That's carried over forever. And my mama used to indulge in a lot of baking at that time. I remember the cakes that she used to make, and even the ice creams are made at home.
Wow.
So somewhere all that was in me. Even the food that we used to pack to school, we still talk about that because, mom used to pack like interesting stuff. It'll be thai sadam and chena fry and chapati and beef, and puli sadam, those kind of things. Even the sandwiches, they'd be cut a certain way, the meat sandwiches with a little butter and the meat, and they'd be cut nicely, So I remember all that, and sharing, of course, with my friends and all that stuff. So it'll still, whatever you ask me will still boil down to, food from home and that taste that's still in me.
So thank you very much for taking the time and for introducing me to this place. I mean, if not for you, not for him, I wouldn't be biting into this slice of history. And the beauty about this place is the whole old world charm. When you talk to the proprietors, the kind of anecdotes that they throw, going into the kitchen, going into a place that's literally frozen in time. I think this is a great start in the city that I absolutely love. So to Madras, with lots of love.